My budgie loves head scratches. He is going wild with this one. And yeah, we do this every day. Look at him. Just scratch my head. Scratch my head. Stop playing with it. Will you stop it? Just scratch it. Scratch it, scratch it. A little bit more on the right. Yeah, right here. Right here. It's so itchy. Be gentle. Be gentle. Nice and soft. That feels good. Hey, do not stop. That feels good. Yes, right here, right side, right beard. Yes, yes. Right here. My eye. Right here. Be gentle with my eye. Be very gentle with my eye. Right here, right here. So itchy. Oh, feels so good. Okay, I think almost done. I think. Thank you so much.